Theta cost commonly equivalent to $1.1890 a coin in a significant manner. The present exchanged cost range, 1.1764 1.2330, or so they in a real sense thought. The earlier day close, 1.2290, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. The change certainly was 0.0400, 3.25%. Which most certainly is genuinely critical. Reverse rate, United States dollars to Theta in an unpretentious way. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they explicitly thought. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28. Cost $1.23, truly greatest 1.32, genuinely least 1.14, which generally is genuinely huge. Theta gauge on Wednesday, walk 1, cost $1.27. Extremely greatest 1.36, certainly least 1.18, or so they basically thought. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, walk 2, cost $1.24, essentially most extreme 1.33, by and large least 1.15. Theta estimate on Friday, walk 3, cost $1.26 in every practical sense, most extreme 1.35, sort of least 1.17, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In multi-week Theta cost forecast on Monday, walk 6, cost $1.21, by and large greatest 1.29, genuinely least 1.13, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Theta figure on Tuesday, walk 7, cost $1.16, genuinely most extreme 1.24, really least 1.08. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 8, cost $1.23, exceptionally most extreme 1.32, kind of least 1.14, or so they in every practical sense thought. Theta estimate on Thursday, walk 9, cost $1.23, most extreme 1.32, truly least 1.14 in and in every way that really matters, huge way. Theta cost forecast on Friday, walk 10, cost $1.21, really greatest 1.29, certainly least 1.13, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. In about 14 days Theta conjecture on Monday, walk 13, cost $1.30, certainly greatest 1.39, exceptionally least 1.21. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 14, cost $1.29, extremely greatest 1.38, exceptionally least 1.20, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Theta conjecture on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $1.40, genuinely greatest 1.50, least 1.30 in a huge way. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost $1.44, especially greatest 1.54, for the most part least 1.34 in a truly significant manner. Theta gauge on Friday, walk 17, cost $1.41, really most extreme 1.51, especially least 1.31, which in a real sense, shows that Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which especially is very critical. In 3 weeks Theta cost expectation on Monday, walk 20, cost $1.40, especially most extreme 1.50, lovely least 1.30, or so they really thought. Theta figure on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $1.42, especially most extreme 1.52, kind of least 1.32 in an especially large manner. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $1.45, most extreme 1.55, fundamentally least 1.35 in a by and large huge manner. Theta conjecture on Thursday, walk 23, cost $1.30, exceptionally greatest 1.39, certainly least 1.21, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Theta cost expectation on Friday, walk 24, cost $1.26, sort of greatest 1.35, least 1.17, which generally is very huge. In about a month Theta conjecture on Monday, walk 27, cost $1.39, exceptionally greatest 1.49, truly least 1.29, which basically is genuinely critical. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $1.36, really greatest 1.46, truly least 1.26, which basically shows that especially reverse rate, United States dollars to Theta, or so they sort of thought. Theta conjecture on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $1.35, certainly greatest 1.44. Really least 1.26 in a very significant way. United States dollars to Theta conversion standard genuinely equivalent to 0.8410 coins per $1, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Today's reach 0.8110 0.8500 in an exceptionally significant way. The past day's nearby 0.8137 or so they in every practical sense thought. Change for now plus 0.0273. Plus 3.36%, or so they truly thought. United States dollars to Theta cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Dollar to Theta gauge on Tuesday, February 28, cost 0.813 coins, sort of greatest 0.877, really least 0.758 in a sort of significant manner. United States dollars to Theta forecast on Wednesday, walk 1, cost 0.787 coins, especially greatest 0.847, exceptionally least 0.735, which especially is very critical. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Thursday, walk 2, cost 0.806 coins, really greatest 0.870, least 0.752. United States dollars to Theta forecast on Friday, walk 3, cost 0.794 coins, truly greatest 0.855, by and large least 0.741, so Theta cost expectation on Friday, walk 24, cost $1.26, extremely greatest 1.35, kind of least 1.17 in an especially significant manner. In multi-week dollar to Theta gauge on Monday, walk 6, cost 0.826 coins, truly most extreme 0.885, fundamentally least 0.775, so dollar to Theta conjecture on Tuesday, February 28, cost 0.813 coins, by and large greatest 0.877, for the most part least 0.758 in a really significant manner. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 0.862 coins, really greatest 0.926 in every practical sense, least 0.806 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Theta figure on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 0.813 coins, truly greatest 0.877, least 0.758. So today's exchanged cost range, 1.1764 1.2330 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Thursday, walk 9, cost 0.813 coins, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.877, by and large least 0.758, so Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 8, cost $1.23, genuinely greatest 1.32. Least 1.14 in a sort of significant way. Dollar to Theta figure on Friday, walk 10, cost